Ooh, look how pretty. See? Look it. Ooh, this looks like an apartment. Yay.
What does this door lead to?
Cute. A little pathway that we have. It's a pathway that we have. Oh my god. Oh
God, these are literally my big three.
Aww. Yay. Aww, look at that.
Okay, so the first thing that we got in the bag are these really
Those are
Oh,
really
I love
cute.
that song. That's so cute.
and it has a little tiara on it, and it's like so cute.
Ah, I love those. Stop. It does.
And I got a necklace.
Stop.
It's like a bag, and I think this is.
Aww.
This is like the
autograph book?
Oh, that's
Because
so
we are gonna go see all the princesses, you guys.
It's her birthday, so that's her
And we're
wish.
getting the autograph.
That's her wish.
So cute. And it's like the bag is very.
Oh, that's
Oh, it's a
cute.
bag.
Oh, it's a bag. That's so
It's a
cute.
It's a bag, so you can keep it.
Oh, I love these, but I love the ears. Like, look at
You know,
this.
spend
That's
more
so
time with the
cute.
bag when you get back.
But this is so cute.
Oh,
Like,
that's so
this
cute.
little-
Like, look at that. That's so cute.
That is so cool.
Like, look at this. It's cute. Look at that.
It's a bag.
It's a bag.
It's an actual bag. It's a tote bag.
Oh, wow.
Wait,
That's cute.
can you take the
These
things
ears
out?
are it.
That's cute.